Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your Windows password from PC when you are signing. You might have a password but you want to remove that, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Click on your start menu here and go to settings. Then after this you can see the option account here. Click it, and here you can see the option sign in with a local account instead. Just click it here, and here just click the continue next option here, and here give the current Windows pin and login. And here you can see the username, the new password, the confirm password. To remove this, all you have to do is just leave all this box empty and just click next, and after that just click sign out and finish, and your pin from your Windows PC will be removed. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.